The art of position and connection. Mastering prepositions and conjunctions in formal writing. Hello learners! Welcome back to another exciting lesson on our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're going to dive deeper into prepositions and conjunctions. But, not just how to identify them, we are going to focus on their advanced usage and nuances, especially in formal writing. So, let's get started. Firstly, let's remind ourselves what prepositions are. They are words that connect and establish relationships between other words, typically expressing spatial or temporal relationships, for instance, on, at, in, during, until, etc. In formal writing, prepositions help make your sentences clear and precise. Avoid ending a sentence with a preposition when possible, as it can sound informal or conversational. For example, instead of writing, "Who are you going with?" you could say, "With whom are you going?" However, note that the rule against sentence-ending prepositions is not absolute. If the sentence sounds awkward or less clear when rephrased, it's better to end with a preposition. Now let's look at conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that connect words, phrases, or clauses, like and, but, or, etc. In formal writing, the conjunctions and, but should not start a sentence. Instead of, "But the experiment failed," write, "However, the experiment failed." Similarly, instead of, "And then we proceeded," write, "Then, we proceeded." Remember, balance is key. It's important to vary your sentence structures to keep your writing engaging. Using too many conjunctions can make your writing sound overly complex and convoluted. This section will highlight some common mistakes to avoid when using prepositions and conjunctions in formal writing. 1. Avoid ambiguity. Make sure the relationship expressed by prepositions is clear. Incorrect. "I spoke to the woman on the bus." Were you on the bus or was the woman on the bus? Correct. While on the bus, I spoke to the woman. 2. Conjunction overuse. Avoid overusing conjunctions. They can lead to run-on sentences and decrease readability. 3. Incorrect preposition. Use the correct preposition for certain phrases. For instance, we say, "depend on," not "depend of," or "angry about," not "angry on." That brings us to the end of this lesson. Dear learners, mastering prepositions and conjunctions, especially in the realm of formal writing, can significantly enhance your language proficiency and make your writing more engaging and professional. Practice using them correctly and avoid the common mistakes we discussed. Happy learning, and until our next video, keep practicing.